Hello everybody, today we have a very special product to unbox, the Eversolo DMP A6 Master Edition. Let's go for it. So, really nice box, very sturdy. Really nice inner box, Eversolo, really premium inner box, high quality with engravings, different engravings. You see here the badges, DSD, PCM, ESS, MQA, and so on. Really nice. Very good first impression. Alright, nice. So we have some paperwork, quick start guide, some quick startup instructions, alright, and some explanation of how to connect the device. Let's see what else do we have here. Right, okay, we have the connection cable, we have a small screwdriver, really handy. If you'd like to disassemble the device, Eversolo is helping you. That's really good, very thoughtful, well done. And of course we have some cables, USB cable and the power connector. And now the star of the show. Alright. So, inner case, a pouch. That's interesting, very premium, very nice unboxing experience, very premium. I like it so far, well done Eversolo. And now the streamer itself. Alright, the device seems very sturdy, good weight, looks and feel premium. A premium product. We have the Eversolo Master Edition DMP A6. Okay, let's see the screen. Alright, the screen protector, and now you can see it in its whole glory. Really nice screen, really nice sturdy device, full aluminum body. Here we have an SSD slot for storage. We can see the back panel. Any connection you can think of is there. So what we can see there, we have the power switch, we have LAN Ethernet connection, we have 3 Wi-Fi antennas, we have HDMI out, USBs, digital in, coax and optical, and USB, digital out, analog outputs, XLRs and RCA is very good. Anything you need should be there. Right, Eversolo, really nice case, a turning knob which you can push it to power up the device and to do different functionalities. Really good, well done Eversolo. In the coming days, guys, I will comparing this with my current DAC, the Gustard X18. So just to give you my initial impressions, I've had this machine for a couple of hours and I had a quick listen, and in a very brief comparison between the two, probably I will be selling my Gustard. So stay tuned to see our review in the coming days. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the unboxing and stay tuned for the full review in the coming days.